this in 1 week, eh? I'm spoiling you. Right. Back to a little place we know in New Forest. And at the moment, I've got 3 roe deer in the field. In between me and the deer is a tree. I'm going to try and stalk over there and see if I can get up close to them and get some photographs with my R5. See if I can get you a bit of footage. So I'll bring you along for the stalk to see if you can get over and have a little look at these deer. Beautiful deer. I'm going to spin you around and show you what I see. Ready? Right. Now, you see the bank right in front of us? There. It's a big tree. And at the moment, both of those trees are covering my approach. Now, below them trees, they're growing on a bank, on a wood bank that runs along the edge of that field. So, unfortunately, at the moment, I've got the wind blowing behind me. Now, that's not ideal. But I've got a road quite a way to my left. I don't know if you can hear that. And that's sort of covering my approach sound. I've just got to step over a tree. 1 second. There we go, right. So I'm peering from each side of the tree so I can get close. Where are they? I can't see them now. There they are, they're still there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can get it. Let's have a look. See this little bit here? There's not so many leaves there. So I'm going to see if I can get down low there. Let's drop. What's that? I'm going to stop. I don't know if you can see these now. They're just there. 3 of them, crazy. So, I'm going to try to get in closer. Right, I've just walked across a load of oak leaves. So I have to be really slow and quiet because it's like stalking across bags of Rice Krispies when they're still there. I'm using this tree as cover. Luckily they're not taking no notice of that. But anyway, it's just flipping up now. Right. Coming to R5. You can see a bit of heat haze coming off the field there. Between me and those deer, which can cause you problems when you're videoing and taking photographs. Environmental factors can cause you quite some problems when you're photographing on warm days. But they've got no idea I'm here. I'm down nice and low. I'm not covered in deodorant and perfume and all the other stuff. And luckily that field's quite warm, so hopefully, and there's not a lot of wind, so my scent will be going up rather than across. And you'll know when they do get your scent, because what they do, they lick their nose. They'll lick their nose and put their heads up high And that wetting their nose dampens down them scent receptors. And makes the molecules of scent coming their way stick to them a lot better, so they can smell a lot better. And what you'll find with some deer as well, they'll stare at you. Their ears are pointed towards you, and they'll stamp their feet to try to get you to move if you're solid on the ground and standing really still. Very peaceful. The other two. Beautiful, aren't they? They're beautiful animals. They don't really care I'm here. And I've seen one in this field before, another 3. Yeah. Happy days, eh? I'll let them carry on grazing. I don't want to spook them, especially so close to a road. I don't want them running out into the road. So let's leave it there. Awesome. How cool was that, eh? Pretty cool, eh? Right, we're going to continue our walk. Just walk from Set Horns right the way round to the great big arc. And coming in from the other side and back into the front of the campsite now. The deer are just over here. Sammy's just over there, so I'm going to have a little smooch back over there. Carry on with our walk and see whatever we can see. I thought I'd show you that. It's a nice little video, a bit of a nature fix for today. Hopefully you like that, and see you again soon. Bye. Mouse.
Oh, is there?
Well, it's not a wood mouse, but there's a little wood mouse sign where he sits there right the way of owls and eats its. There's like a beech mast in there, and over the back there's like hawthorn pips and stuff. Can you see it? See it? There's a little slug on the front of it. Can you see the slug? Here. Just there. See it?
Yeah.
Little brown slug.